This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. It is June 9th, 2020. And I just want to show you on the Dow Transports how we can use the RSI to start gauging the next potential major swing trade direction. And this is from the weekend. Call it a follow-up from my weekend observations. And it is again the Dow Transports, and this is 3 years of weekly data. So Dow Transports, 3 years of weekly data. And as a follow-up, I want to show you the lines I was drawing over the weekend. Line number 1 is the RSI topside resistance line. Right there. Oh, by the way, right now the Dow Transports for the week, they are down about 0.5%. So that's one line, the topside potential resistance line that the market seems to be responding to. And this clear and obvious backtest line right here. And of course you can see how this line connects to prior lows. Here, 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 and here, and also here. And then it turned into a break level, leading to this massive plunge. And now we are back, and seemingly as of right now the market is showing that it is aware of this line. So if the two lines, the red and the blue, continue showing resistance, then the RSI is telling us that the next major swing trade is for a market pullback. And in time, if the market should be able to move above this area, then that movement above the two lines in itself would be a buy signal. So because we are down for the week, and again because the market is showing that it is aware of these two lines, we have to start leaning to the potential that more than likely what the RSI is telling us, and the RSI, by the way, tends to be a little bit early, that this message being sent by the RSI is that this is a resistance area as far as the market direction is concerned, and more than likely this market is setting the stage for movement to the downside. This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-A-C-S.